Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to turn photo into pencil sketch in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. Don't do it like this. Instead, open the Layer panel. If it's not there, bring it from the Window menu. Then create a copy of it. Go to the Filter menu, Stylize, and then choose Find Edges. Click on the Adjustment layer, and choose Black and White. Set the default settings. Again, click on the Adjustment layer and choose Levels. Follow my settings. And here is before. And here is after. And it's done. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.